with this breaking news, it shows that the Northerners are going to cause Nigeria to divide very soon, because what they are requesting is not going to happen. Now, the Northerners are saying that Mr. President Tinubu should remove the new Inec chairman because the man is suggesting Christian genocide, meaning that the new Inec chairman accepts that there is Christian genocide and is against Sharia law. So the Northerners are saying that what new Inec chairman did is against Sharia law to accept Christian genocide in Nigeria, and therefore the Northerners are not going to accept any electoral results in 2027 from the same new Inec chairman. That President Tinubu must remove him. That if he failed to remove the new Inec chairman that Tinubu puts in power, that they are not going to accept any election votes, any result that the man called in 2027. Do you know what that means? That simply means that the country will divide, because President Tinubu is not going to remove that man. That's number one. He's not going to remove him. And number two, if the Northerners refuse to accept the presidential election results from the same man, that means it's going to cause chaos. It's going to cause problem in Nigeria. So now, but I don't know why. Let me always say, I don't know why Nigeria, the Northerners always think that they own Nigeria. They can say whatever they want. But this is the latest news.